Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $10 for 15 minutes of your time. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright, so as you guys know, I'm always looking for new opportunities and new ways to make money online. So if you guys are interested in making money from home, making some extra cash using a side hustle, then what I'm going to share with you today is a work from home opportunity which you can apply for free. And if you actually get into the program, you can make $10 for simply testing different websites and software for just 15 minutes of your time. So I'm going to show you the website and explain it to you in a way that's easy to understand. And I'm going to give you all the details in just a minute. But before we get into that, what I want you to do is to download my free affiliate marketing guide. It's a free guide that I created with over 40 pages that explains how you can make money with affiliate marketing, the different ways that I personally make money with affiliate marketing that allows me to make a full-time income from home using affiliate marketing. Like I said, it's completely free and you can download it in the description below. So with that said, what I'm going to do is jump into my computer and actually show you the website that I'm talking about. Alright guys, so the website that I want to share with you today is called Validately, and this is basically a testing website. So you can see it says test websites, make money. It's that simple, and it's basically used by many different big companies that are looking to launch new products and new websites, new services, and they need a large amount of people to provide and test this websites and apps so they can find the tweaks, the things that they need to fix in order to launch it to the general public. So how does it work exactly? Well, you make money for every test that you take. The sign up process is quite simple. I'm going to go into the details on how to sign up, but in this case, basically what you need is to provide some basic demographic information. You start receiving emails offering the different tests and the feedback for simply providing feedback for those websites and apps, and then you get paid for every test that you successfully complete, and you get paid to your PayPal account. What you're going to need is a computer with a microphone. You must use Google Chrome. If you're using Firefox, you might need to just switch to Google Chrome specifically for this type of website. You do need a high-speed internet connection. You must be at least 18 years old. You must be able to communicate in English, and you must have a PayPal account. So as you can see, it says how often are these new tests available. Well, tests are available daily, but that doesn't mean that you're going to get a new test or multiple tests every single day. It just depends on the demographic, the type of people that they're looking to go into those specific apps and websites to provide the feedback. So it's a matter of just signing up and waiting to see how many tests you can get on a weekly or monthly basis. The big question you probably have is, how much money can I make doing this? Well, I did find some answers for that. $10 for 10 to 15 minutes of your time. But if you want to make more money, they do have some other different tests that require you to use a webcam or screen share in order to provide your honest feedback. And those will actually pay you between $25 for 30 minutes of your time. Signing up is completely free, and you can sign up, and as long as you get those tests and if you have the time to do it, you can easily make some extra cash doing this. Now let's talk about the sign up process. Like I said, I was going to cover the sign up process in detail, and the first thing that you need to do is to create an account with your Facebook account or email account in order to become a member. They'll send you an invitation link, and then you'll be able to complete a sample test, which basically will take you about 15 to 20 minutes. If you're able to pass that test, then you start receiving those invitations to complete the real test, which can pay you, $10, $15, $25 depending on what type of test you actually get. So this is a sample email of the type of emails that you're going to receive once you get approved into the program on exactly what you're looking for. You'll have a link, and as you can see, it says take the test and earn $10, and that might take you 10 minutes. It might take you 15 minutes, but just $10 for 10-15 minutes of your time, and you don't need any special skills. Just test the website that they're giving you, provide your honest feedback, and then get paid for that honest feedback. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's a very simple to use website. You do have to apply to get in. If you actually pass the test that they require, then you'll be able to complete the task, and basically you can get tasks on a daily basis depending on what they're looking for. but you can get paid directly to your PayPal account, and best of all, you can do it in your spare time. This is a work from home opportunity, but it's not the only one. In fact, if you go back to my YouTube channel, I do have multiple ways for you to make money online from home. There's a lot of opportunities and a lot of different things that you can do from home using the internet to make money online. So if this is not something that you want to do, that's fine. Just go back to my channel. I have a bunch of videos that can show you many different ways to make a full-time income online. With that in mind, thank you very much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.